Before we jump right to the video, I just like to explain and apologize the reason why I missed upload on Monday, and that's because of I got a problem on my lips. I tried lipstick the day before, which is from local brand, and I got allergic from that lipstick, and to be honest that looked really disgusting on my lips. Yes, and then I don't think that is going to be a really good idea to create a video and my lip look disgusting. So yes, I apologize for that, and even now I also can't put any lipstick on a part of this lip balm because it's a process for healing. So yes, please accept my apology, and yes, let's jump right to the video. Hello everyone, it's Willy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel where I'm testing affordable beauty products or drugstore beauty products, and I hope that you are doing good. Make sure that you hit a subscribe button below, and I will keep you updated about affordable beauty products every week. And yes, if you have any affordable beauty products from drugstore that you love, you can tell me in the comments as well, because I'm going to do video shout out, create a video from your idea. And if you have any questions, also can ask me in the comments as well with hashtag rinse questions. And yes, of course, today's video I'm going to create a challenge which is not more than three eyeshadow color challenge. And of course I'm going to use this one, which is Makeup Revolution Foil Fusion eyeshadow. So if you guys would like to know how I create this look, please keep on watching. As you can see, I already finished my face and primer eyes using Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and of course I'm going to using only this palette. And as you already know, it's going to be 3 color challenge or not more than 3 color challenge. So I'm going to start with this color right here. I hope that you can see. It's just like kind of like bronzy sort of color. Yes, hope that you can see. And I'm going to put this one on my eyelid. I'm going to zoom you in. Start with this color like I told you earlier, and put it on my eyelids. And wow, can you guys see the pigment? It's good, isn't it? And then I'm going to using a clean brush to blend the color into my crease. And then use that blending color on my lower lash lines as well. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to use this one. Hope that you can see. Yes, it's kind of like shimmer, bright color. I really love this sort of color. Or you could use some, you know, that's the first color that I put it on my eyelid, and that is going to be in the inner corner of my eyes. Wow, just a little bit. For my mascara, I'm going to use these 2 mascara from L'Oreal. This one is from L'Oreal. So this one is from Maybelline, which is Curacao, a Woolproof mascara, and this one is from L'Oreal, as you already know, L'Oreal Large Paradise. And this is a finished look. As you can see, it's really easy, simple. I'm pretty sure that you could do it as well, and that's because of from my challenge, not more than 3 color eyeshadow challenge. So yes, now I'm going to answer questions from Megan Lee. She asked me, Rin, did you live in Florida? How and how long? So hashtag Rin's questions. Yes, I did live in Florida. How can I say I joined in kind of like work and travel program, which is like a student exchange program, and I be there for a couple months. I have a really good time there. I've got a lot of good friends, and yes, that is really good experience for me. And to be honest, if I have a chance to go back there, you know, to go back to America or Florida, I would take that chance. To be honest, I love it there. Everybody really nice, easy to get job there, everybody really open. So yes, that is answer from me. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Bye.